Commercial real estate investors and market enthusiasts, I'm about to show you a real forecast I built immediately after a major UK economic announcement. It came remarkably close to what actually happened. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to learn how investors and traders connect financial markets to commercial real estate, I'll send you my free 80-page guide immediately. Click Learn More now or click the link in the description below to get your free copy. But first, just watch this.
UK government said that they were going to have a suspension of business rates. This is what we call the commercial property tax. So here we are with our real world example. So I'm going to take the City of London and Zurich rent prices between 2001 and 2016. What we're going to do is take the data from this data. I've got it here. So I'm now going to complement our difference in difference analysis with econometric forecasting. And what I'm trying to do here is to forecast the office rents from 2010 onwards. So just do a quick graph and we can see, let's have a look. How's it turned out? Oh, wow. It's actually come out very similar. I didn't really expect that. Well, that's actually, that's our new forecast. So that was 23. Yeah. So that's come out quite nicely. So, well, there we have it.
Get your free 80-page guide today, plus free weekly market insights. Click the link in the description below or click Learn More now.